Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't mind me. Let's just get into it. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, oh, I didn't even introduce myself. My name is Nkenna. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming by. That is not my intro. My name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to be doing another wig unboxing, and this one's a flop if you can't already tell. The unit that we're reviewing today is from Outre. This is their Divine unit, and it's from their Melted Hairline collection. Got this in a jet black one. That is my color preference. This unit has baby hairs. It comes on HD transparent lace. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees, so if you wanted to put some curls or flatter on this unit, you could. It comes with a elastic band attached to the unit, and it has pre-plucked frontal hairline. So no plucking is required. However, if you wanted to, you could go in and customize the unit more to your satisfaction. Oh my god, this unit is so itchy. All right, so getting into cap construction, you guys can see we have this frontal type lace at the top. Additionally, we have two combs surrounding the perimeter, and then we also have this elastic band that comes with the unit. At the bottom of the unit, we have an additional comb as well as adjustable straps on both sides. All right, straight out of the package, we have this situation. The lace is a lot longer than the customary amount of lace that these synthetic units come with. We have the 5-inch parting space. I am wearing a nude wig cap. I did mention to you guys that we have these awkward bangs cut in. I hate when they do these bangs on synthetic units because they just cut them and then the rest of the unit is one length, and it's very, very awkward. If anything, it makes the unit look that much more wiggy. It's less believable. But we have these very crunchy curls, so I'm gonna go in and style this unit to my satisfaction and then come back to you guys at the end with all my thoughts, questions, comments, or concerns. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and say that I don't like this unit, and it does not look like the information card. So right off the bat, this is a flop. The unit that they're showing on here, this looks more like the Mindy unit, which you guys will be seeing tomorrow. Maybe you saw it yesterday. I don't know. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it up here so you guys can go check it out. But this looks nothing like what this unit looks like. First of all, when you brush out the bangs, this is the situation that you get here. And this is what I told you guys. Let me put this hair back. This is why I told you guys I hate when they cut those bangs in, because they just do this. They frame your face. They're so awkward. What am I supposed to do with this? Except go in with a large barrel curling iron and curl this again myself. But it looks very 1980s, very, I don't know. I really don't like this. It looks like a costume wig. Even these pieces are not the same length. They just put some layers in there and called it a day. We'll put 2 layers, 1, 2, and call it a day. So I'm not happy about that. I don't know. I really get upset because clearly the unit that's on the information card, this is not the same thing as this on my head. This has more volume. Obviously it's a different color. This looks more uniform. However, this is not uniform. I hate when units flop like this. I really do. It's not even close. It's giving me, it needs to be cut right here. It's giving me 1980s punk rock vibe. That's what it's doing for me. So getting into the rest of the review, we will push on. In terms of shedding and tangling, I am not getting anything, so at least it does not have bad tangling, which is good. I would definitely recommend using some Got To Be Glued, because you guys can see this ear tab here. It's just like an ear tab sideburn. It just pulls up, so definitely if you want to, you can glue it down. Just to keep both of those in place. However, on other units I haven't had to glue them down. The elastic band is more than enough for me, and you can wear it as a glueless unit. And I don't ever have to worry about it blowing up and exposing me. For the most part, they stay put, they stay down. But this one, it just has a lot less security. So I would recommend using some kind of wig adhesive to keep this in place if you are going to be wearing this. In terms of the parting space, this is what it looks like. I have a nude wig cap on, so when it's fixed, that's what it looks like. Honestly, I feel like this is a wig that people buy to do comedy skits and make fun of Karens, but the shedding on the unit's not bad. It says the unit comes with baby hairs. Again, it's another type of unit that the baby hairs are not distinctive. They're not super noticeable. They don't jump out, pop out at you, so I didn't have to gel them down. But if you want to, you can go ahead and find them, cut them down to your satisfaction. However, because this, I don't know, I feel like with side parts, something with a prominent hairline like this, I don't feel so inclined to use baby hairs. I never feel inclined to use baby hairs, but for this, I definitely don't feel like you need them. In terms of shine, I feel like all of the units from this line have the same luster. They're okay, they can pass. However, with the wear and the lifetime of the unit, it's going to need some kind of dry shampoo. I'm sorry that I'm talking at you guys with my hands. But yes, as this unit gets older, you're gonna need some kind of dry shampoo to tone down the shine, because it does get a lot shinier as it gets older. And that's just speaking from experience on the first Outre melted hairline unit that I reviewed, which was Seraphine. I will say that for whatever reason, this transparent lace is very itchy. On all the other units, it was fine, it was nice and soft, but this is really irritating me. Like, my whole scalp is just itching right now and I want to take this off. In terms of length, the unit comes down past the bust. I'm 5'9", and that's pretty much all I can think of for you guys. I don't really, I mean, it is what it is. We powered through it, we did it. I feel like this is karma catching up with me, because I feel like every unit that I review, I'm like, this is great, this is awesome. So now I'm finally getting some duds to balance it out and show you guys not every unit is nice, it's good. I try to filter and only show you guys good things, but sometimes you get bad units, and that's okay too. So that is all that I have for you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more wig reviews, synthetic or human hair, definitely leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.